guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be creating a Roblox kill brick. So you can use this in obbies and stuff. So step one, you want to add a part. And shape it to whatever you want. I'm just going to use this. Second thing you want to do is go to here, insert object, and you right click on this. Right click on the part and then insert object and then put script. And we don't want print hello world, so we're gonna boom. So this says script.parent.touched equals, or not equals, but yeah, script.parent.touched connect and then function hit. If game.players get player from character, hit.parent then. Hit parent.humanoid.health equals 0 end. So now, yeah, we have this brick. So I'm going to click play. It's going to load up. And we spawn in. And then there's the brick. Then it oofs you. So you can use this script in anything like obbies and stuff. I even made a model that you can download. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this quick Roblox studio tutorial. And I'll see you later.